next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval, and this allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. It also helps us find a bunch of other variables that we need to apply to find technical analysis in our charts. Or to, you guys understand what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and dive in. So we've been fluctuating between 0.38% and 25% this morning in pre-market. So the market is going to open in about 30 minutes, you guys. Let's go ahead and check the volume. So we're at 316,000. So we're above, we're above that 150,000 threshold that we like to see. Anything below that will be such a slow moving stock that you want to be anywhere near that. Because you want to be able to get in and get out, especially if you're day trading. If you're long-term trading, core trading, then that's, it's different. But all right, so let's get into where we're at. Okay, we first go over the our support and resistance lines really quick, and then I'll get into the individual candlesticks. So up here we have our major resistance line. You can see that we had resistance back here where we got rejected back here. We had trouble breaking past this area. Ultimately we did. So we used to work as resistance, we'll work as support on the opposite side. So that's why you see once we broke above this, we came back down, retested our support level, and was bouncing around and right on this support line. And then we broke back under, it was working as resistance, and got rejected and pushed smooth retracement all the way back down to our lower level of support at the $34 area. And you can see it's working as a support in this area. So you can see that we bounced from here. We broke underneath, we came up, retested our support level, and bounced, and now starting this smooth retracement back up. So usually when you have a parabolic, you can't really consider this parabolic, but it's pretty close, you guys. This parabolic move downward, you usually have the same thing happen to the opposite. So if you have this first, then usually you'll have a parabolic move back down. So patterns, you guys, they happen every day. But you guys can see that we were testing this minor resistance back here for a while until we created this breakout. We have this igniting candlestick, and basically now we have this other candlestick that opened right above that as well. So that is a really, really good sign, you guys. So we are above the trend line. The RSI, however, does show that we're a little bit overextended. But other than that, this candlestick did pull back down to this lower candlestick as well, and resting over here, working as a minor support. So more than likely, you guys, if we wanted to, we could break down to the 1 hour chart and get a more accurate look on how this looks. So you can see that we've just been pushing up, and then now are creating this upward trend from down here. But other than that, you guys, I don't really see an issue with getting in. Your first target is obviously going to be back up here at the $55 area, because this is where our major resistance line is. We look left like Beyonce says, and you can see that clearly back here. So that set you up for a pretty good target. You can have your stop loss back down here underneath the our minor resistance, that being at the $44 area. So that way, if we do break back below down into that area, we can get tagged out and wait for a better entry, you guys. I'm sorry, I usually like to keep these videos a lot shorter and quicker, but I don't know. It's just a different day, I guess, you guys. But other than that, that's all I really have to say for you today for NIO. Stay tuned for other videos that I post this morning. If this helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. I try to post Monday through Friday or every other day. But in that case, you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.